Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to generate FAA files from genome data, and why this step is essential for downstream analyses such as KEGG functional annotation and average amino acid identity analysis. You can download the protein file from the annotation results provided by your service provider. You can open it using Notepad for inspection. You can also download the protein FASTA file from GenBank. Simply select your genome of interest and retrieve the corresponding protein FASTA file. You may then open it using Notepad to inspect the contents. You can also obtain the protein FASTA file from the BVBRC platform. Once the genome analysis of your draft genomes is completed, the protein FASTA file can be found in the annotation folder. Download the protein FASTA file from the annotation results. You may also retrieve the protein FASTA file after completing Bacter annotation. The results are available in the Jobs folder located at the top right-hand corner of the interface. Select Protein FASTA file and proceed to download it. These protein FASTA files are required for Average Amino Acid Identity analysis, also known as AAI analysis. Check out the earlier video for instructions on how to perform this analysis. Most KEGG analyses require the submission of protein FASTA files as input. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.